Do you know plain yogurt is not only used for cooking but also in baking? Well, today I'll be showing you how to make yogurt cake, which is going to turn out moist, fluffy, and the texture is going to be just perfect because we are going to be using yogurt to bake the cake. Now, you're going to start off by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line a loaf pan with parchment paper and also spray the tin so that it can be easier for you to invert the cake. Into your mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in the wet ingredients. So I'm going to start off with half a cup of cooking oil that is neutral. Crack the eggs in a small bowl to make sure they're fresh. Next, you're going to add in some vanilla essence, and using a whisk, you're going to whisk in everything until fully combined. Next, you're going to be adding in your sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Whisk in everything until fully combined, and the baking soda and baking powder are going to help the cake to rise up while baking in the oven, and the sugar is to sweeten our cake. So now I'm going to be adding in my all-purpose flour and plain yogurt into my bowl. So I'm going to add in half of the flour, and using my whisk, I'm going to fold into the batter. Add in my plain yogurt. And mix while I add in the rest of the flour. Scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure all the ingredients are fully combined, and don't overwork your batter once you have added in the flour because your cake is going to turn out tough. Now that everything is fully combined, I'm going to be transferring my batter into my prepped up tin. Now, you're going to be baking your yogurt cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. And to check if the cake is ready, you're going to insert a skewer in the middle of the cake. Once the skewer comes out clean, the cake is well baked. My cake has been cooling on my countertop for around 10 minutes. So right now I'm ready to invert. So I'm going to flip my cake. Then I'm going to completely cool my cake. With no equipment needed, this yogurt cake has turned out amazing. I absolutely love the texture because the cake is looking very moist and fluffy. To add a touch of sweetness, you can sprinkle in some icing sugar and enjoy the cake with a cup of tea or coffee or even a glass of juice. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe.